A very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with another important topic of chapter Principles of Inheritance and Variation. And topic is mutation. In this topic, we are going to discuss about the type of mutation and how the mutation caused. The mutation is a sudden change in chromosome, or if the mutation caused, there is change in the genetic sequence also, whole chromosome number also, or the in the more than one nucleotides or base pair are also affected by the mutation. Now, so the mutation is sudden change in genetic material or genes, sudden change in genes or genetic material. So that is known as mutation. Mutation cause, on the basis of cause of mutation, the mutation can be of different type. That means if the mutation takes place at a single point, or that is restricted on a single point only. So all the genes are not affected by generally the mutation. So such type of mutation are known as point mutation. If mutation caused by the delete in the nitrogenous base, delete in a base pair, or in a base single base, so that type of mutation is known as deletion. If the nitrogenous in a genetic sequence or DNA, if the nitrogenous base or nucleotide is changed by another nucleotide, so that is known as substitution. Now, if there is addition of extra nucleotide in a genetic sequence, so that is known as addition. Addition in the mutation, or addition cause the mutation. Another is the translocation. Translocation is a small portion of chromosome, not a gene, not a nucleotides, a small portion of chromosome translocate on a different chromosome. So such type of mutation is known as translocation. Another is inversion. If a small portion of gene or DNA breaks, then invertly add in a sequence of DNA, such type of mutation is known as inversion of mutation. Inversion of mutation caused by the cause mutation. Another is frame shift mutation. It is either caused by deletion or by addition of nitrogenous base. Now let us discuss about the addition. If there is in the genetic sequence, here is DNA or adenine, adenosine, guanosine, cytosine, for example, here this is the genetic sequence or sequence of nitrogenous base. If addition of a nucleotide takes place, for example, one adenosine get added in between the A and G. So whole the genetic sequence change in the genetic sequence, because always the protein synthesis takes place in the triplet codon, or each amino acid added by reading or through reading this triplet codon present on mRNA. If there is change in DNA, if any change takes place in DNA molecule, so always mRNA will affected by the mutation, because all the genetic sequence, change in genetic sequence also get transferred on the mRNA. Now through the messenger RNA, because protein gets synthesized through the messenger RNA, if there is change in the messenger RNA, so also there will be change in the amino acid sequence then. Or if the amino acid sequence takes wrongly sequenced amino acid takes place during the protein synthesis, so wrongly protein gets synthesized. Overall, a single base, change in the single base affected overall the protein synthesis, or thus cause the disease, huge disease. So if only if adenosine get added in the genetic sequence, so the sequence will be, here is A, G, T, T, C, C, A, T, G, G, C, G, A. So this is the genetic sequence, or here is the A, which is extra added in the genetic sequence. Now in this, the genetic code read in the form of triplet codon AAG, TTC, CAT, GGC and GA, or another minus another nucleotide, for example. Now then after the mutation, if addition takes place, so what will be the genetic sequence or triplet codon? Triple A, GTT, CAA, TGG or CGA. So overall the frame shift towards the left hand side. Because of the addition of adenosine. That is this type of mutation is also known as frame shift mutation. Frame shift mutation, that is caused by the addition of a single nucleotide. So that is result in the triple A, that is result in the frame shift mutation. Now another cause of frame shift mutation is deletion. Now if the deletion takes place, in an organism, so what happened with the deletion? So after deletion, here is the sequence A, A, T, T, for example, C, C, G, G, A, T, C, G, C, G, A, T, for example, just only. If thymine is deleted from this one. Previously the sequence are in the form of triplet codon GAA, TCG, AT, for just an example only. Now if the deletion takes place or T become deleted from the genetic sequence anyhow. Now after the deletion of this T, the sequence will be AAT, CCG, G, AT, CG, AT, A. So now then after deletion, what will be the sequencing of triplet codon? AAT, CG, GAT, or so this will be the sequencing. So sequencing move towards the right hand side. So this is known as again the frame shift. The frame of triplet codon previously started from T, now then after deletion the frame shift towards the right hand side. For this reason, deletion is also result in the mutation, that is a frame shift type of mutation. If this last nucleotide removed from the last or end of the DNA, so at that time no any frame shift result, but even that cause change in a single amino acid also, maybe change in the single amino acid, so that may be result in the change in the protein chain. So overall, due to the deletion of a single nucleotide from any region of DNA or genetic material, result in the mutation. Then after deletion, let us discuss about the substitution. Substitution, that means for example, any amino acid is replaced by another amino acid. So such type of any nucleotide is replaced by another nucleotide. So such type of known as mutation is known as substitution mutation. Now what happens during such condition? Here is chain chromosome, or in A, G, C, C, G, G, A, G, C, G, A, T. For example, here is the genetic sequence. If the any nucleotide is replaced by this one, previously the T will synthesize a triplet in the form of AAT, will synthesize another type of amino acid. But due to the replacement of thymine by adenosine, that will result in the formation of another type of amino acid. So that's why the protein, there is change in the protein folding also due to the change in single amino acid. So how this is result? As in case of the substitution also related with the point mutation. As in case of sickle cell anemia, the adenosine is replaced by, thymine is replaced by adenosine, or thus the result in the change in single amino acid. That is, previously the chain will synthesize glutamic acid, but due to the substitution or due to the point mutation, there is change in the single amino acid, that is glutamic acid is replaced by valine, or due to the change in amino acid valine, that do not make a proper folding of globin, or that is qualitatively change in the structure of hemoglobin, result in the oxygen deficiency. That's why the overall they result in the lack of oxygen molecule, or that makes RBC RBC from biconcave structure to the sickle cell shape. So that also result in the anemia condition, because all the sickle shaped RBCs are transferred into the spleen for degeneration of RBCs, because they are not capable of binding oxygen, or overall the affinity of the hemoglobin is also decreased by the change in the amino acid, because of these are the non-polar amino acid. So overall, due to the change in amino acid, the affinity towards the oxygen of hemoglobin also decreases, or due to the lack of the oxygen concentration takes place in oxygen, that makes the RBCs into the sickle shaped structure. So overall, there is only a small change takes place in a genetic sequence that make, but the complexity in the organism, make huge problem in the organism. So that is also known as point mutation. In such mutation, the only single nucleotide is changed actually, because neither any nucleotide is deleted or nor any nucleotide is edited. That is only the replacement. So still the sequence of triplet codon as such, except a single amino acid. So here is A, G, for example A, C, C, G. Other sequences are similar as such. Now this sequencing, this amino acid will change. Here is phenylalanine, alanine amino acid. In DNA, in RNA, they code phenylalanine because when RNA gets synthesized from this one, so triple U will be present, or triple U will synthesize the phenylalanine amino acid, or that result in the protein synthesis, formation of protein. Now next is inversion. 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 So here is genetic sequence A, A, G, C, C, G, G, A, G, C, G, A, T. So this is the genetic sequence. Now if the inversion takes place, so the DNA folding of DNA also takes place. Now A, T, C, C, G, G, A, T, C, G, A, T, A, ATA. Now this is the sequencing. Now what happened? For example, here is anyhow the small portion is deleted. Now it become inverted and then again fixed on the same chromosome. So what happened during, it can be also written in the number. If we are going to write in number, so it is quite easier to understand as compared to the alphabet. Number. Okay. So for example, here is DNA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here is the genetic sequence. This number denotes the genetic sequence or amino acid. Nucleotides. Here is cutting of DNA molecule. Then this sequence invert. The sequence rotate either left hand side or in towards the right hand side. So overall there is change, invert the sequencing of DNA. So when this inversion takes place, so here is the same sequence 1, 2, 3, and here is again this sequence is not inverted 12, 13. Now this sequence is inverted. Now when they fixing, so here become 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4. So overall, due to the inversion in the genetic sequence, inversion cause in the genetic sequence that makes that also change in the protein sequencing or amino acid of protein. So it is also result in the mutation. So overall, the protein which is synthesized previously is not synthesized after the inversion mutation. Now next is translocation. Translocation. What is translocation? Simply here is a chromosome, whole chromosome number. If the translocation in between these two chromosomes takes place, here is, for example, here is chromosome number 1, or this is chromosome number 14. So during the translocation, so the small portion of chromosome 1 shift on the chromosome 14 or 14 on 1. So what happened during this? After the ligation, this is the portion of chromosome number 1. Here is the portion of chromosome number 14. So this represents 14, this represents 1. The upper side of the chromosome number 14 represents the chromosome number 1, where the upper side of chromosome number 1 represents the chromosome number 14. That will also result in the formation of false protein, so cause in the mutation. So such type of mutation is known as the translocation. Now in the chapter you will discuss about the sickle cell anemia, which is a point mutation, thalassemia, and another it is also a point mutation which takes place in the chromosome number 11 and chromosome number 16, but it is point mutation. Now it is a type of point mutation. Now another mutation is hemophilia, which is a sex-linked disease or present on X chromosome. So that's why this is known as sex-linked disease, or transfer present on X chromosome, or transfer from generation to generation, from one generation to another generation. Hemophilia. Now another mutations are Hughes mutation. These are included into the chromosomal disorder, where the whole set of chromosomes are transferred, the whole set of chromosomes are affected by the mutation. That means either the individual have one whole extra chromosome, or lack, or also there is absence of whole extra chromosome, as in case of Klinefelter syndrome, Turner syndrome, and Down syndrome. Down syndrome is a trisomy. Klinefelter syndrome is a presence of one extra X chromosome in the individual, or Down syndrome is present of one extra chromosome, autosome, in 21 chromosome, or Turner syndrome. In the Turner syndrome, there is only 45 number of chromosome is present, in which the individual lack one sex chromosome. So point mutation is a single mutation, but the complications are huge due to the change in the amino acid, or that is the glutamic acid changed by the valine, or that valine is non-polar amino acid due to the overall change in the affinity for the oxygen molecule of hemoglobin. So that makes the deficiency in oxygen in the RBCs, or that makes the cell of RBC in sickle shape. So that is result in the huge complication. Overall, thalassemia is also caused by the change in mutation caused in the two chromosome, but on the base there are two kinds of thalassemia, alpha and beta thalassemia, where the alpha is caused by the change in hemoglobin A alpha or A beta, for example, change in the chromosome number 16 or beta is caused by change in the chromosome number 11. So overall that makes the change in the sequencing of the globin protein of hemoglobin, that is the reduced structure of hemoglobin protein get formed after the change in the chromosome sequencing in thalassemia. So that also makes the quantitative change in the hemoglobin or result in the oxygen low affinity towards the oxygen molecule, because hemoglobins are not able to bind with oxygen. So overall that is also related with the oxygen diffusion as in case of sickle cell anemia. So overall these are the points in the mutation. I hope you like this video. Keep listening and watching me, and thank you for listening and watching.